Hi everyone, I'm Sienna, the content producer here at Seamwork. Welcome to the Let's Sew a Quilted Jacket class. In this sew-along class, we're going to make the Easton jacket. Let's take a look at this pattern and talk about all the cool skills you'll pick up when you're done with this class. This jacket features an oversized fit and drop shoulders, making it a great layering piece for changing seasons. It also has a fun to sew shawl collar and snap closures on the center front. One thing that I really love about this jacket is that it's fully lined, so it's comfortable to wear. There's no need for bulky bias-bound seams here, and you have a really clean finish on the inside. While the overall construction of the Easton jacket is simple and straightforward, skill-building details like quilting, the shawl collar construction, adding a lining, and finishing the jacket with bias binding make it an intermediate project. If you're an adventurous beginner, don't let that label hold you back from trying out this pattern. In this sew-along class, we'll help you select your fabric, gather supplies and helpful tools, and sew each step including the really tricky parts like quilting your pattern pieces, constructing the shawl collar, creating a lining, and attaching the bias binding. The best thing about this class is you're not in it alone. You can connect with other sewists in the Seamwork community and chat about choosing fabric, selecting a size, and sewing up your Easton jacket. It's a great place to ask questions and cheer each other on. In the next lesson, I'm going to pass things over to Haley. She'll talk about what fabrics will work well for Easton, and she'll share the fabrics she chose for the photo samples. Ready to create a quilted jacket? Let's get started.